I wouldn't mind going back. I would like to go to I'd like to go on safari again.
Hey, my people, Zamunda has arrived. And of course, we know that Travelbeta is offering something special. Nairobi, Kenya. I'll go to Nairobi, go to Mombasa, and you see my favorite hotel, Sarova Stanley. I hope I got that right. Yes!
Hi everybody, it's Dala, aka the Goddess of Skills here. And if I got the opportunity to go to Nairobi, I definitely want to see the sights and sounds. Like, it would be so amazing.
Hi, my name is Kim Opera, and I'm here today at the Coming2America 2 premiere, and I'm so looking forward to our Nigerian born star Road to me in the movie.